Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth part of the video. And in this video, we are just going to talk about adding images to make the game more real and alive. As you can see here, these are the yellow strips for the road division, and then the white line for the border, and the grass image. That's it. We're just going to add these images to make it more real and alive. So before going further, we need to download these images, okay, which I will give the link from the description. In the description you can download through my GitHub link. As you can see here, we have the grass image, here yellow strips images, we have, one second, yes, you can see here we have all these images, the white strip, the grass one, and the yellow strip. We have to download it, and then we'll load it, and then we will add on the screen. So let's start coding. So first we need to load the images. So let's just say for grass we will take a variable called grass only. Grass equal to pygame.image.load grass.jpg. Then yellow strip equal to pygame.image.load jpg. Then we have a white strip, or we can simply say strip equal to pygame.image.load. Okay, the image name is strip.jpg. Okay, so now we have loaded the image. Now we have to add this image on the screen, and we know through blit method we can do that. So we can create a function for that, okay, for adding the images. Let's just say def background, okay, and first we will add the grass image through Screen.blit. The image name is grass, destination will be 0, 0. So let's save it and call this function whenever the moment we are adding the gray color on the screen. Okay, so let's just call this function background and run the code. Okay, so the grass on the left side I've added. Now we have to add on the right side. Okay, so same copy, we can copy it, even though I don't prefer copying the lines. Just saving time, I'm copying it, and this can be changed into, so the 0, 0 coordinates was there. Now we have on the right side of the screen, so we can give 700, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Let's just check it if it is fine or not. 700, yeah, perfect. So if you can see the highlight area, this is the 0, 0 position, and this was the 700 positions. Okay, so now we have to add the yellow strips on the center of this image, or the center of the road. Okay, let's just see how we can add that. So same again, Screen.blit, source is the yellow strip, and then separating by comma, and then we have to add the coordinates. So let's just say in the middle, the width of the screen is 800, so let's just say 400 comma and 0. Save it, just see. Perfect, great. Now just keep adding on this line again and again, so that, one second, yes, this line, just copy it, paste it. Okay, we have to just change the y coordinates, 100, 200, 300, 400. Just save it and just see. Yes, so only 1 or 2 couples of strips are left. So if you didn't understood that part, we are adding yellow strip on the center of the screen. Well, not the center of the screen, it's like center line of the screen. So the width of the screen is 800, so let's just assume we are adding out 400 x coordinates, and y value from starting it's 0, and then we're increasing the y value so that this difference will be there. That's it. So let's just add a couple of more yellow strips, giving 500, and then okay, not got copied. Okay, copy it. Again 600. Let's just save it and see this. Yes, perfect. Now we just have to add the road border of the white line. That's it. So we're assuming the width of the grass image of it was 100. So we have added from 0, and let's just say the end line of this grass was 100. So now we have to add a little right towards, maybe the value x value will be 120 and 0 for white the road border, and from here we can say same 700 and little above 680. So try to do that. Write in the code. Okay, same in the same method only, same same function only. Okay, Screen.blit strip 120, 0. Let's just save it first, then we'll see we are good to go or not. Perfect. And for the right side, same. Sorry. Yes. Put it like 680. Yeah. I hope this will be perfect. Yes, bingo. So we have added all the images, the yellow strips, the road border, and the grass. I hope you understand this video. In case you didn't, please feel to comment any issue which you have faced in this video. So that's it from my end. And this we have discussed how to add these images. In the next, I will be creating the road border so that whenever the car crosses the white line of the border, the game gets over or the car get crashed. That's it. So we'll see in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep learning. Bye bye. Thank you once again.